How to use YouTube tags from top ranking videos. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want a better reach on YouTube, copying tags is the right way from the top videos can help. Here's a short and clear steps with short examples. So the first thing you need to do is open up YouTube and you can update your description or your title of the video. Search for your main keyword. For example, you can search how to grow YouTube channel and then open a top ranking video. So let's just quickly do that. I'll just go to the search bar and I'll just go ahead and simply search for how to grow a YouTube channel. Once you have searched for it, you can find different top videos here. So I'll just go ahead and tap on the first link, the first video right here. And once you open any top ranking video, you can view the video source. Once you have searched for your keyword, you can go to the description, tap on more, and on their description you can find different tags right here that you can copy to your clipboard, or you could just tap on it and it's going to take you to all of the related videos as well. Once that is done, you can just copy the words inside the tag. Just long press on it. As I've said before, let me just go back. And here, I can long press on this to copy the tag, just like so. Then you can also filter relevant tags. For example, you can keep how to grow YouTube channel or YouTube growth tips, and then remove or any unrelated or brand only tags. Add the same thing to your video. You can do that by going over to YouTube Studio, open it up, and go and change description of your channel or video. So let me just quickly open a random video here, tap on edit, and find the description section, add description, and paste the link right here. Don't forget the hashtag right up in front, and you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.